Welcome to the American Academy of Neurology Abstract Submission website. This video will outline the process for submitting an abstract for consideration to the 2019 AAN annual meeting in Philadelphia. This year's submission deadline is Monday, October 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Central Time, and the meeting itself will occur May 4th through May 10th. The first step is to log into the website. If you are an AAN member or a past abstract submitter, please log in with your username and password on the right side of the page. If you're a first-time submitter, please click on the left-hand side of the page to create a new account. To begin a new abstract submission, hit the Create a New Abstract button. You can submit a maximum of 2 abstracts as the first author, and there's not a limit to the number of abstracts you want to serve on as a co-author. The next step is to add authors to the abstract. You will need to use the author search function to add authors. The search does check against the AAN database, so most authors are already included. After you find the author you're looking for, select their name and hit Add Author and Continue. Or, if you couldn't find the author's name in the author search, click the Add New Author button. This will then take you to the author's contact information and disclosure statement. The website does require you to enter disclosure information for each author, so please collect this information before beginning your submission. Select the Update button at the bottom of the page once you have reviewed the author's information. Repeat the author search step to add each corresponding author. When you are ready, select the Finished Adding Authors button at the bottom of the page. The next page is where you'll enter the actual abstract title and abstract body. Please use the instructions on screen to ensure correct formatting and layout. The abstract body is limited to 300 words and includes the fields of objective, background, design methods, results, and conclusions. The abstract detail page will then ask you to identify the primary and secondary topics and subtopics that fit your abstract, as well as ask you a series of questions about your research. The agreement page will then prompt you to read through an acknowledgement statement and to provide details on if your abstract has been previously published or presented. The AAN does encourage submissions that have been previously published or presented, as long as the appropriate details are included here. The proofread step allows you an opportunity to preview how your abstract would appear in its published state and correct any errors before finalizing the abstract. If everything looks correct, please proceed to the next step, which is the full submission summary. The submission summary gives you the complete picture of your submission, including any of the questions you answered, as well as the abstract title and abstract body. You can choose to print this page or save and continue at the bottom of the page to move forward. If everything looks correct, you are now to the payment step. The submission fee is going to be $50 per abstract for AAN members and $150 per abstract for non-members. Please note that the submission fee is tied to the membership status of the first author of the abstract, not the abstract submitter. So if these two roles are different, the payment will always be tied to the first author status. Trainees, such as medical students, residents, and fellows, are able to submit free of charge, regardless of membership status. After entering your payment information, click Submit Payment. You are now at the final step. Please select Finalize My Abstract and Submit to officially submit your abstract. A confirmation screen will appear, and the abstract submitter will receive an email confirmation as well. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in Philadelphia.